Ever wonder what really happens inside your computer when you click? Let's take a quick look. We're going to start with the brain, see how it thinks and how it connects to the world. All right, first up, the heart of the machine, the central processing unit, the CPU. The CPU is basically the conductor of the orchestra. It directs every single thing your computer does. And inside that brain is the ALU. It's the math whiz, crunching all the numbers and logic.
But the speed? That's what's really mind-blowing. We're talking tiny, tiny fractions of a second.
A microsecond? That's 1/1,000,000th of a second. You can fit 100,000 of them in a single blink. And a nanosecond? That's a billionth of a second. So fast, light only travels about a foot. Okay, to think that fast, a computer needs memory. And it actually has two main kinds. Think of primary memory, or RAM, as a temporary whiteboard. Secondary memory is the long-term filing cabinet. So you've got this amazing hardware, right? But what tells it what to do? That's where software comes in. And software really comes in two main flavors: system software and application software. System software, like Windows, runs the whole show. Applications are the tools you actually use, like a browser. Humans use these languages to write instructions, which then get translated for the computer. Okay, so the computer can think. But how do we talk to it? Let's check it out. It's a two-way street. We use input devices to talk to it and output devices so it can talk back. Your keyboard, your mouse, a touchscreen, these are all input devices. They're how you give commands. And how does the computer answer? Through output devices like your monitor, your printer, or even your speakers. Oh, and speaking of input devices, here's a fun little fact for you about the mouse. It was Douglas Engelbart. And get this, he demoed it with hypertext and video calls back in 1968. Of course, computers don't just exist in a vacuum. They're connected, forming this huge global network. And the key to that connection? The modem. It's basically a translator for sending signals over phone lines. When you connect computers in one building, say an office, that's a local area network, or LAN. But for connecting across cities, you need a WAN. The internet? That's the biggest WAN of all. So from a tiny CPU to a massive global network, it makes you wonder, with things moving this fast, what's next?